Hadith 229, Aisha radiallahu anha reported the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sometimes abstain from doing something he wished to do, lest others should follow him and it might become obligatory upon them. Bukhari and Muslim.
The Prophet ﷺ shows his mercy to the Ummah. He doesn't want to keep doing something because it shows here as well that the Prophet ﷺ's acts that he used to do, some of it is to be compulsory upon him, and some of it is to be what? Nafil, which is voluntary for him. So the Prophet of Allah is different from us. He's got, for example, he has to make the tasbih and the adhkar, that's compulsory upon the Prophet ﷺ. But he says that I don't want to go ahead and do an act and keep doing it, like for example Taraweeh. He stopped the Taraweeh. Because if he kept doing the Taraweeh, it would become what? Compulsory. Because the people followed suit. Shows the keenness of the Sahaba to follow the steps of the Prophet ﷺ. As soon as he does something, they will follow. And the Prophet of Allah will not keep doing that all the time. And that shows us another benefit, which is if you're abandoning something which is favorable, something which is recommended, and then there is a good thing will be resulting, then do it. Then do it. Here the Prophet of Allah had left something which is what? Recommended. It's a righteous act. But because he left it, and what is being entailed because he left it is something which is better. And that is, it will not become compulsory on the Ummah. And it also shows that we have to follow the Prophet of Allah ﷺ in everything that he does, whether in his sayings or in actions or in his approvals. But also it shows that extremism in religion, going overboard, is always the reason of being incapable of doing which is permissible. So if you go extreme, that will exhaust your gas. You run out of gas and you start doing nothing. That's how it happens. If you go so extreme, then you run out of gas. So you will not be able to do what is, just normal. Always the one gone extreme, you'll find them what? Left. Look at these people who've gone extreme. Later on they'll shave their beards. They left the beards. They left the deen. They've gone so extreme. If you go extreme, that's what happens to you.